On the machine, the digital display and controls are not only the most technologically advanced in the industry, they are also the easiest to use. The machine is fitted with a rotary encoder dial that allows for quick and easy adjustment of settings on the 7-inch LCD color screen. This intuitive display allows you to easily view and control blasting parameters and machine settings. You can also program up to 9 password-protected application recipes. This feature allows you to set and save blasting parameters such as blast pressure, particle size, and feed rate, which ensures the right settings for each individual application. Cold Jet has given you more options than ever before to dial in the right blasting settings while providing controls to set it and forget it.